In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your crosshair color in Valorant to enhance your gameplay experience. Choosing the right crosshair color can significantly improve your aim and overall performance by increasing your visibility and focus during those intense moments. Let's dive right into it. First, you want to launch Valorant and find yourself on the main menu screen. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. You need to select Settings from this list, which will take you to the game's Settings menu. Now that you're in the Settings menu, navigate over to the Crosshair tab. It should be the third option from the left at the top of your screen. Give that a click. This tab is where you'll find all the customization options for your crosshair, including the color, which is what we're focusing on today. You're going to see a list of predefined crosshair colors. However, if none of these default options suit your preference, don't worry. We have the opportunity to create a custom color. Scroll down until you see the Use Advanced Options checkbox. Ensure that this is ticked, as it gives you greater control over the crosshair customization. Next, focus your attention on the sliders labeled Advanced. They will allow you to adjust the RGB values for your custom color. RGB stands for red, green, and blue, and by manipulating these sliders, you can create virtually any color imaginable. For instance, if you want a bright yellow crosshair, you might set the red to 255, green to 255, and blue to 0. Play around with these sliders to find a color that stands out against the environments you'll encounter in the game. Remember, the key is choosing a color that enhances your visibility without blending into typical background colors found on Valorant maps. Generally, neon colors like lime green or cyan are popular choices because they tend to stand out against most backgrounds. Once you have settled on a color, it's crucial to test it out. Head into a practice match or range to see how your new crosshair color performs in real-time scenarios. Pay attention to whether it's easily visible and helps improve your accuracy. If it doesn't quite feel right, feel free to return and tweak the sliders until you find that perfect hue. Lastly, remember that your crosshair is a personal preference tool, so there's no wrong choice here. Experiment with different shades and see which color feels most comfortable and boosts your confidence during matches. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to customize your crosshair color in Valorant. Having a crosshair color that suits you can make a big difference, helping you stay focused and on target. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your newly customized crosshair.